Efficient and accurate data disaggregation is key to ensuring educational equity, but it can take a long time and be a little tedious. In this video, I'm going to show you how to instantly disaggregate your data using my data disaggregation tool. Hi friends, I'm Matthew Courtney, and on this channel, we talk all about evidence-informed school improvement. So if you're into that, hit subscribe and come be a part of our community of improvers. All right, let's get into the tool today. Let's start by taking a look at the sample data I'm going to use for the demonstration. Here on the screen, you can see my sample data. I simply have two columns here, a column with group identifiers, groups A, B, and C, and a column with score identifiers that I've randomly generated here on a range of 0 to 100. This is just meaningless sample data, but as long as your spreadsheet has at least two columns and has a column with group identifiers and a column with scores, the tool will be able to analyze it and create a report for you instantly. The two columns do not have to be next to each other, and they don't have to be the only two columns. You can have as many columns as you want. The tool is going to allow you to select the two columns to analyze. Let's take a look now at the tool itself. Here we see the Data Disaggregation Tool landing page, which can be found at www.matthewbcourtney.com/disaggregate. When you land on the page, you will see some overall general directions. This will help you if you forget how to use the tool later and you don't want to rewatch this video again. You'll also find a link to some more detailed technical directions, as well as a sample file that you can download to just play with the tool if that's what you want to do. If you keep scrolling down, you'll get to the tool itself. You're going to do all of your work today here in this gray box. We're simply going to click Browse and upload a spreadsheet from our computer. So I'm going to pick this one called Data. Open. And you'll see that it throws a little error here, but that's because I haven't selected my drop-downs yet. In my first drop-down, I'm going to select the column that has my demographic variable. You can see that this is already pre-populated with the column headers for my spreadsheet. It's already selected group because that was the first column in my spreadsheet, and I'm going to leave it that way. I'm then going to select my outcome variable, which in this case is titled score. And you can see when I do that, it instantly produces a report that allows me to summarize and visualize the distribution of my data. So here I have the mean, median, mode, minimum, maximum, range, and standard deviation for each group. And this table can be copy and pasted into an Excel spreadsheet. It can be copy and pasted into a Google Sheet, a Word document, into a PowerPoint or a Prezi or Canva slide, ready to go for your reporting or presentation. It also has created these three box plots, which allow us to visualize the distribution of scores by group. And so you can see we have group A, B, and C here at the bottom. The tool will automatically port in those group names from your spreadsheet. And then we get the three box plots here. This allows me to really quickly see that my A group is my lowest performing group, but they're all kind of scoring together. My C group, it's also got some of my highest performing and some of my lowest performing kids. But on average, they're outscoring the rest of the group, but they're really spread out. So I need to focus on how I can improve scores at the bottom of this group and pull everybody up. This can be copy and pasted as well. You can also right click and click Save as Image if you want to save this visualization to your desktop and then import it later into your reporting or presentation tools. As you can see, the data disaggregation tool is a great way to save time and disaggregate your data much more efficiently. It will also ensure accuracy because it's doing all of the data analysis, all of that summary statistic work for you. And listen, if you enjoyed this video today, if you found value in this video, make sure that you hit subscribe before you leave. Check out some of the other videos on my channel and some of the other tools available to you on my website as well. See you later, friends.